Hey guys, Joey here, another video. Just a quick update on some Bitcoin shit. Bitcoin is starting to pump again. Let's look at it. This is the 1 hour chart. It's at 3,400. Sorry, 34,000. I bought Bitcoin at $4 and started buying all the way up to around 1,200. The first pump. Got hacked in 2017 and lost 33 Bitcoin. This would be worth over $1 million today. But I only put around 20 grand into it over the years, so not a huge loss, just kind of sucks because, well, I missed out on the fucking time of a lifetime. So anyway, I'm not holding Bitcoin right now. I do use it to pay people sometimes. Like I'll hire developers on Reddit, jobs for Bitcoins, subreddit, and works out pretty good. But what I am holding right now is Nimik. You can go into, whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. If you look at Nimik here, now I bought Nimik around 27. Let's look at the 1 day. So I bought it around here, and I put a few $1,000s in. I got 2.5 million Nimik. It pumped all the way up here, and at the high, it was worth around 37K. I put in maybe 6,000 or 7,000, and I bought all the way up here. And then it fucking dumped, and it's been going down ever since. But it's starting to pump a little bit right now. Not a lot, but hopefully this continues, this trend continues. And we'll go back up to our all-time high, which was in July of 2020. So it's been around, let's see, July, what is it, January? It's been around 6 months. So hopefully it's over. If you don't know what Nimik is, they're a crypto that's working on atomic swaps with fiat. So you would be able to use your bank to do the KYC, and you wouldn't have to do it with an exchange. Which is pretty cool. It's kind of a new thing. There is a diagram on here somewhere. I think it's under about. They're switching from proof of work to proof of stake. I was mining it, but the miner system I was using got sued in Canada by the government. So they're still working that out, and they had to stop. So I'll probably mine something else once they fix all that problem. But Nimik's been doing pretty well. If we look at the 15-minute chart, well, let's look at the 1 hour. So you can see it started pumping on the 29th of December, and it's been going up and down. We got a double top here. It's going to come back down here probably and test, and then maybe go up or continue to go down. We'll see. But it was at 10 or 11, and now it's at 16. So if you go, you can set up a wallet. It's free. It's all JavaScript based, which is cool. You can see in here, it's got the little 7-day chart. I'm holding Nimik because it's moving up faster than Bitcoin. Bitcoin did 24% in the last 7 days. Nimik's more than doubled. So I had around $3,000 in here the other day, 3,800. Now it's at 6,000. So we'll see how that goes. I did have to sell some Nimik to pay some people. So I'm down to 1 million Nimik. If it hits $1, great. That might not happen for a few years. The cool thing though is if you get a Bitcoin wallet in here, which is cool. I don't have any in here, but you can swap. Now the problem here is you can only swap once a month. Actually, you can swap as much as you want, but I think it's $1,000 a month. So that's while they're in beta. Let's say I wanted to sell 100 NIM, or let's say I want a 0.025 BTC. So then I would confirm here, and then it would just swap it for me. Fee would be $9, a little high. But the other thing is you will be able to buy NIM with your bank account once they go live, which is supposed to happen in the first quarter. So sometime in the next 3 months. So if you want to learn about it, go to, they have Telegram. Where is it? Here it is. Telegram, you can go in here. And you can talk to these guys. They also have some trading apps. You have to go through a CAPTCHA. Let's see. Oh, I guess I don't. You used to have to. Channels, where is it? There it is. You type /channels. You get a list of channels, and there's a trading chat room too. I'm not sure why it's not responding right now. But we'll see. Maybe it's just slow or something. There are 9,000 people in here. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. I'm also invested in Polkadot. We can check that one out. Polkadot is a competitor to Ethereum. It's all JavaScript based. And I like Nimik and Polkadot because they're both JavaScript based. Not that I'm going to, but if I wanted to, I could build apps for them in JavaScript and Node.js, which is pretty cool. This is the 1 hour chart. Let's look at the 1 day. So they're pretty new. They pumped a lot in the beginning. Came all the way down here. I bought around here, I guess, so that was good. I got around the low, somewhere around here. And it's gone up, it's gone down a little bit. We'll see what happens over the next couple of months. But Polkadot is a little more difficult to use. You need this thing called whoops. I think I just closed the window. Good. Just Google Polkadot.js and you'll find it. So here you have to allow this application access. I think I cleared my cache. Yeah, so see I have 113 DOT. So you can add an account. Ah, shit. I hope that's not my fucking seed phrase. But you can add an account that way. It'll create a new seed phrase, I think. Let's see here. So you can also go to Kalupa, which if I go down here, Kalupa is the only proof of work. The fuck? This UI kind of sucks. Okay, then you click switch. Kalupa is based on Monero, so it's CPU mining. And you can mine it with the CPU. I rented a 64 core CPU server for $500 a month and mined this 180. It's gone down a lot, so I wouldn't recommend mining it unless you just want to do it for fun. But let's see, where's Dot? So let's go back over here. Here's Binance. Let's look at the 1 day. Oh, we looked at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go to live coin watch, and then we'll look at Dot, Polkadot, and it's a little easier to see here. So in the last 7 days, it's gone up. Let's look at the last 90. It's been pumping quite a bit the last week. Last couple weeks. You can trade it on Binance, Craig and Hubi. I recommend Binance. Binance is kind of a pain in the ass to use, but they are available to Americans without KYC for small amounts. So check it out. I think I got it around 6 and it's at 9 now. Limited supply. I'm not sure what the total. So the circulating is 9 million. Total supplies is 9.8. I think it increases over time. I'm not sure what their inflationary model is. But I do think if they can clean up some of their UI and make it a little more polished, it's got a lot of potential. Especially as an Ethereum competitor that's JavaScript based. So check it out. Alright guys. See you, bye.